this is the update I promised. I'm supposed to be up within 6 hours, so I'm gonna be tired, but I slept in so late and had so much energy until late that I decided to take advantage of it, and then I'll just sleep more some other time. Again, I am in my same pajamas. Trust me, I did actually make the effort and put on like a cute t-shirt and shorts and stuff and did my things I needed to do, but it's like 1 in the morning, so so I'm back to my pajamas. So as you can probably see, I did my fingernails and toenails. They were needing to be updated. I hadn't done my fingernails in a long time, and my toenails were starting to chip. But I will show you guys everything that I was able to get done. I was able to wash my sink, which badly needed it, and so that was really nice. So I'll have that up. Moved a lot of this, moved even more junk back here. I have to really need to go through this. It's really bad. And this is a big trash bag because I have been throwing away a lot of stuff. This is some of my giveaway clothes. I will go ahead and move these over there. These are more giveaway things. And this is a big bag of clothes that I just washed and dried. It's all my jeans and t-shirts and towels and sheets. And I folded and put away everything else, like all my nightgowns and stuff. This is my outfit that I have laid out for tomorrow, Lord willing. I'm supposed to go to church and then go to a wedding, so I need to look appropriate for that. Have my fancy dress that I wear to a lot of weddings and formal events. And then I have these sandals. I just don't want to deal with heels because it's supposed to be really rainy. So either I'm going to wear these or some flat closed-toed ones. And I did not end up spraying the bed, but I had so much on this bed. I had a lot of stuff that I was folding and stuff that just landed there that I had to put away. I cleared this pathway, not completely, but a lot. And I have a lot of junk over there still. Let's see. Still have that. Cleared out this. Hung up a lot of clothes in the closet. Put some stuff up there. And got this looking cute and cozy. And I don't remember if I've shown this before or not, but this is an apron I got recently. I think I found it on eBay. It was really cheap, but it's really cute. I'm never put it through the dryer because I don't trust it. It's like a really synthetic material. I washed all my dishes except for this cup here, and I put them all up and then I used them again, so I had to wash again because I made 2 pretty big meals today, so I ended up using a lot of dishes. I made Mexican scrambled eggs with green bell pepper, onions, garlic. Yeah, I did a lot of that, and then I later on I made that stuff I was telling you about. This is the little shells that you put the sauces in. The sauces are in the fridge. They called it pani puri, and it was pretty good. A little different, but pretty good. This is kind of crazy up here. These are some flowers and breadcrumbs that Divine just recently donated to me, and they were all in my bed too, so, well, they're in a bag on my bed, so I had to put them up. There's still a lot more that needs to be done, but I'm very thankful for the progress. So, trying to think about what all I was able to get done. So I washed and dried 3 loads of clothes, and then I folded away and put away 1 load, and I fixed 2 big meals, and I did my grocery shopping planning. I did not go grocery shopping, and I cleaned some of the bathroom. I did a lot of dishwashing and cleaning the sink and the stove. Yep, Lord willing, I'm gonna try to get more done. Hopefully some tomorrow, but really want to focus on it Monday, Lord willing. So I hope you guys all have a blessed weekend, and pray for me in this, and I will pray for all of you. There have been times today where I've not been feeling the best, and I've been just thankful that God has given me the strength to do what I've been able to do. So I don't want to take that for granted. Good night.